Sweetpeas. Today for you, I'm going to be checking for some dupe polishes. Basically, this is a dupe check video of polishes that you guys requested based on the most recent Zoya collection release. So the new shade here is called Emma, and there was a question about it looking like Minnie from last year's summer collection. So as you guys can see here, they definitely don't look like each other right away, but I totally get without seeing them next to each other that you might think, are those similar because they kind of fit the same spot in the collection. So we are going to go ahead and test them side by side. If you guys already watched the Zoya Splash Collection video, you've already seen Emma swatched, and it is about a two-coater. It has a really nice formula, and it is kind of peachy, whereas in the bottle and kind of the promo pictures that I think we all saw, I think we kind of thought maybe it was going to be a bit more corally, but in person on the nail and seeing it here on the video, I definitely feel like it has more of a peachy tone, whereas the Mini does have that more corally tone, which I think is what we were all sort of expecting with the promo photos that we saw of Emma. So that could just be based on computer screens or maybe some color inaccuracy in the promo shots. I'm not 100% sure. But either way, these are definitely not what I would consider dupes. And I would say that if you are a person that likes more corally polishes, I would definitely pick Minnie over Emma. However, if you like a good peachy polish that has an orange shade to it, Emma's a really good one. And also, if that's like you're wanting to branch out into the peachy orangey category, I feel like Emma's a good one because it's not fluorescent and it's kind of got a nice calmness. They kind of have the same like intensity of color, like saturation wise and everything. So I really do like both of these polishes, that they are just not dupes. Here's a look at them with the bottles. Like I said, from afar or like not seeing them next to each other, I could definitely see how people might like think of these two together, but seeing them side by side, it's a definite not a dupe. So that is it for today's video. Tomorrow we're going to be checking out another duo of polishes, and I'm really excited for this little miniature series based off the new Splash collection. So stay tuned for more, and if you guys have any other requests, let me know down below and we'll see what we can do. So that is it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed this. Bye!